This duck is stuck. Really stuck. Sticking a duck to a rock like this is actually really difficult, because glues don't work well in wet, salty conditions. So these researchers turned to AI for help. And their new glue could be useful for underwater repair jobs and even surgery. Hydrogels are soft, flexible materials with properties that make them potentially really useful in medicine for things like dressings, implants, or biosensors. But these properties normally prevent them from being sticky in water. Nature, though, seems to have already solved this problem. Many underwater creatures can stick fast using soft, flexible, protein-based substances. So researchers use data mining to trawl through vast catalogues of natural glues to find the specific features that make them sticky. They then created hydrogels with these features and tested them. They were indeed quite sticky, but the team wasn't done yet. They fed these new results into a machine learning system to find ways to enhance the stickiness even more. The result? An AI-enhanced hydrogel with underwater sticking power. And of course, a duck stuck to a rock, which they believe could stay stuck for years. There's a lot more work to be done though. For one thing, they don't actually know why this material is so sticky, and it's difficult to scale up such materials to the level you'd need for more widespread use. But this approach shows how AI could help discover useful materials, and the researchers hope that their approach will inspire others to create materials with useful properties.